In front of me is NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. To clone apps on this NUBIA, you don't need to download any cloner. All you need to do is go into Settings and scroll to hit Features available here. Now click on App Duplicator and you'll see all of your apps available to clone on this NUBIA. To clone any of them, use gray switcher next to the chosen one and wait. Then go back and check it out. As you can see, my app was successfully cloned. If you wanna delete this clone, you can do that like you would any other app. But you can also go into the same settings, use now blue switcher, and hit OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!